Hey y'all, so I don't know if you guys remember a while back in one of my Five Below videos that I picked up this coffee body scrub for $4, a nice huge container of it, and it comes like this. It's not mixed with like a cream or anything, it's just a raw coffee body scrub, Coffee and Coconut by My Beauty Spot. Okay, I've been using it the way it says to use it, which is when you're in the shower or bath, you just apply it to wet skin and like rub it in a circular motion. And that's what I've been doing. I keep a little amount in like this little jar that I have, but I really would like it to be a scrub with a body wash. So I was about to get in the shower and I'm like, how can I turn this into a coffee coconut body scrub? So I thought maybe I would take some of this. I just got this new Olay Fresh Outlast with strawberry and mint, and I also want to put some of my chocolate covered cherry Bath&BodyWorks with it. And then I have this blackberry and basil empty Bath&BodyWorks container. It has a little bit in it, which is fine, that I was thinking of mixing it in. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna go about it, but I thought I would try this out and record and show you guys how it turned out. Because I know when I made the video, a couple of you guys said you were gonna go up there and pick it up. So if you guys were, wanting to do the same and you picked it up, you can try this as well. So I have like this little scooper to get it out with, and I'm just gonna try to put like a little of each, leave enough room in the bottle to give it a good shake, and see what happens. I forgot that this was actually like a gel, and I really want a little bit of cream in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this the Twisted Peppermint Confetti Moisturizing Body Wash into it, so I can have that little bit of cream inside of it. This one also exfoliates. Hopefully this won't be too much of a mixture, but I think it's going to smell really good. I'm going to do more, but I want to start getting some of this in there. I hope I can do this with one hand. I have everything mixed up. I'm gonna stop there and go ahead and put the lid on it and shake it on up, get it nice and mixed up, and test it out. So that's what it looks like, all mixed up. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go get in the shower now and test it out and see how it works. So I am out the shower, and let me tell y'all, I am so glad that I did this. It was amazing. It smells really, really good. I mostly, the most body wash I mixed in was this Olay. I did a bit of that and a bit of the peppermints back there. But yeah, this was great. So if you guys picked up that coffee scrub, this was the little container of it that I had that I would take to the shower with me. But if you guys pick that up, definitely give it a try. I'm glad that I did that. It felt good. It smelled super good. And yeah, so it worked. Yay.